Hi everyone, welcome to another challenge video. Today we are unboxing a super practical accessory, the JNCRadio JSHIELD A91 Protective Rail Mount, custom designed for your Yaesu FT-A91 transceiver. Whether you are into field digging, mobile operations, or just want to level up your ring's installation, this rail mount is definitely worth checking out. Let's crack it open. First up, the packaging. A clean, sturdy cardboard box. The front clearly shows the product image and model name JSHIELD A91. Now let's pull out the rest of the contents. 2 aluminum rails, the star of the show, designed to fit FT-A91's form factor like a glove. 4 included screws. Yes, they've thrown in the mounting hardware. These are the exact screws you need to secure the rails to a radio or mounting plate. The radio side rail is 8 mm, 0.31 inch thick, 262 mm, 10.32 inch length, and 59 mm, 3.32 inch in height. The weight is 267 grams, including both rails and 4 screws. Take a closer look at the rails. You can see the solid 6061 aluminum build. Just from the unboxing, you can already tell these rails are thoughtfully designed. The length is just right to cover the FT-A91's body. The height is compact but provides solid mounting rail instead, and the 8 mm thickness means they are taut enough to handle bumps and vibrations. And yes, those 4 screws are included, so you don't have to scramble for hardware when it's time to install. That is for the unboxing. See you in the next clip. Happy operating, everyone. 73.